Welcome to another PhoneSavvy.com application review. Today we'll be reviewing an application called Hide It Pro. If you type in Hide It Pro in the search engine at the top of the Play Store, you'll find this application. And this is an innovative application designed to discreetly hide the information that you have on your phone. Any of the information that you want hidden can be done through this app. When you download the application, it will show up as Audio Manager, and this is the decoy application for you to get to the Hide It Pro app, so that if anyone's going through your phone, they'll see this application and think nothing of it. What they don't know is if you touch and hold Audio Manager at the top, it will take you into a secret application for you to hide your files. First thing it'll have you do is put in your password, which your first time entering this app, it'll have you create a password for yourself. And then from here it's pretty simple. Just select the information that you want to hide from your phone's normal interface. For example, your pictures, if you open that up, it will show you the pictures that you have hidden already. You can create new folders by hitting the plus button, or just bring up a folder and then hit the plus button to add photos to this folder. So if we hit the plus button, it'll take us to our gallery, and then we can choose the photos that we want to hide so that nobody can gain access to them unless they go into your Hide It Pro app. So you select the photos, you can select multiple photos, and all the ones that you have highlighted, just select Hide Selected Files, and then choose the folder and hit OK. That will move those back to your Hide It Pro app, and no one will gain access to them for your gallery. They even have an option for you to start a slideshow. If you hit the menu button and then hit slideshow, it'll slowly go through your photos, and they do have settings to change the speed of the slideshow so you can make it go a little bit faster. Let's go back to the application. And the videos and music is the exact same way. They do have a lot of plugins you can add to this app. They did a very good job of meeting all the privacy needs through this application. You can lock applications, which requires a plugin. If you hit the lock apps, it'll have you download a different application that will allow you to put a passcode on any of the applications that you want locked. They even have an option for you to hide apps, which requires you to root your phone, so it's a little more difficult. They do have a completely private browser. If you open up the browser, it'll have you download vBrowser, which automatically hides the websites that you visit and clears all your cached websites. You can even have text message conversations completely private through this application. This Messages plugin that you can get will bypass the messaging app that comes pre-downloaded on your phone. So any text messages that come in or go out from here will not go to your phone's messages. And there's a lot of settings that you can change. If we open up the settings folder, a lot of tweaks that you can make to this application. For example, the theme of the app, you can give it a whole new look if you choose user interface settings. They have application theme right at the top, and then you can choose a new theme for this app. Now let's re-enter the application. And they do have an option for you to remove ads. If you use this application regularly, you can get rid of those ads, which for a one-time purchase for $3.99, that gets rid of the ads completely. Otherwise, they do have a free option for you to complete the offers, and then you'll have no more advertisements on this app. And since this application is gaining popularity, people are starting to recognize the Audio Manager as the decoy application for hidden files. And they did add an option for you to disguise that icon with something else. You can even hide the icon with a plugin, which will get rid of the application, and you have to dial this number, or whatever the 4-digit PIN code is, in your dial pad to gain access to Hide It Pro. And that is one of our featured applications of the month. Make sure you download it. Also, visit PhoneSavvy.com to see more great applications like this that you can get for your Android device.